Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna, and if you're new, welcome, and to all my returning subscribers, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I make a Loaf keto French toast. It's so yummy, guys. It's super low in carbs, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get started and I'll show you guys how I make it. To make our egg loaf French toast, these are the ingredients we're going to need. We're going to need 8 eggs, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 6 ounces of cream cheese, some baking powder, some cinnamon, and some vanilla. You will want to preheat your oven to 350. Okay, so you're going to need like a hand blender or a blender, even one of those KitchenAid mixers, whatever you have on hand will work. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your 8 eggs, you're going to add it to your blender. You're also going to grab your cream cheese, 6 ounces of cream cheese, dump that in there. Let me just grab a spoon. Stick that in there. You're also going to add in 1/4 cup of melted butter. You're going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. A teaspoon of cinnamon. This is optional. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit more. We like cinnamon here, so we're going to add a little bit more cinnamon. And you're going to add in some vanilla, and I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So grab your lid for your blender. Now you're just going to combine that all together and mix that in. So this is the consistency you should have. I'm gonna just pull that out. And now you wanna grab yourself a little bread loaf pan. Grab yourself some parchment paper. It's a little easier to get it out. I like to spray it with a little bit of olive oil, coconut oil, whatever you guys have on hand, just so it doesn't stick. And it's a little easier to pull it out. Then you're just going to pour the mixture into your loaf pan. Just like that. And now we're gonna pop that into the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes. We're gonna have a look at it and see how it's coming about. So set your timer for 25 minutes. So I've just popped it out of the oven. It's been about 25 minutes. I think it needs another 10 minutes or so. You can see that it's still a little bit undercooked there. So we're gonna pop that in for another 10 minutes. Okay guys, it's been about 35 minutes now. You can see that it's nicely golden brown on top. This will drop, but I'm going to let it set for about 5 to 10 minutes before we cut into it, and I'll show you guys how we make the French toast. So you can see that it's dropped a little bit. What you want to do is you want to lift this out of your pan. So what you're going to do is you're just going to cut it down into some slices. You can see that it's still just a touch undercooked, but it's gonna cook up nicely when you put it on the frying pan to do some French toast. So we're just gonna slice this up and get it ready for our frying pan. I've preheated the pan. I'm just going to spray some of this pan olive oil. You could add butter if you guys like. And I'm just gonna grab a few of the French toast pieces. And we're just gonna let that toast up on each side. So while the French toast is cooking up, grab yourself some sweetener. I've got some Swerve here, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of it and sprinkle it down on the bottom of this dish here. So it's been a couple minutes. We're just gonna flip these over. See how it's toasting up nicely? Perfect. And then that will kind of finish off cooking on that side there. Smelling really good here. So about 2 minutes on each side. All right, let's take these off. Let's have a look on the other side. Oh yeah, nicely toasted on both ends there. We're just gonna put that in on top of our going to finish off the last bit of the batch. So same idea, just spray a little bit of oil. I've just flipped over our second batch here. It's almost done, a couple more minutes. Right, let's pull these off. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, delicious. You guys, how good does this look? So I'm going to add a little bit more Swerve to the top of it. Just want to sprinkle it on. So I have some of this no sugar syrup, and I'm just going to pour it over. Let's throw some strawberries on there. Yum. So I threw some strawberries on top. Look at that. Tell me that doesn't look absolutely amazing. Give this a try, guys. Let me know what you guys thought of it, if you guys have ever tried this before. And I hope you guys all stay safe and healthy. And take care. Bye now.